Hey people, how's it going? So today's video is going to be a DIY video. So this is a lace front wig that was sent to me from Chinalacewigs.com. It's 22 inches long and it's a great density, about 150% density. So what I'm going to do is actually bleach this hair blonde and then add some color to it. So I'm going to use a BW2 and 40 volume developer to get this. Now what I'm going to do is start at the ends and work my way up. This hair is super thick just because it's like a kinky curly texture. So you're going to have to really use a lot of this. I actually had to go out and buy another developer because I didn't have enough the first time around. So I would say to you guys to make sure you get a large 40 volume developer or maybe two, because this hair is so thick that I had to actually go out and get another one to make sure that it was completely saturated. But this actually came out really well. The hair took the bleach very well. One thing I did notice is that it was a little bit dry, but I did deep condition it, and we'll get into that if you keep watching the video.
They wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages nonstop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages nonstop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages nonstop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages nonstop.
Alright, so now that the hair is fully blonde and washed, now I'm going to go in with the Kiss colors. I've used the Kiss colors before and it was pretty good, so I decided to buy this again from the store. Now this is only like $5 a piece, so I got 3 bottles. I got one of the Intense Violet and 2 of the Purple Passion. Now the Intense Violet, I'm going to use that towards the roots and kind of mix it around. I really wanted to use the Purple Passion around the entire wig just to give it more of a vibrant purple look. Now I did this application with 3 bottles and the 3 bottles gave me a semi-okay look. I did have to go in again a second time to color, so I will show you guys what I used the second time to color. Now I honestly feel like I should have avoided this step completely and just went to the step that I'm going to show you guys with the Manic Panic. Now hands down, I'm going to let you guys know I would prefer using Manic Panic over this. Manic Panic does the job, one time, one shot, excellent. I've used Manic Panic in the past before, but this time I was trying to cut costs but ended up spending more money, but that's okay. Now Manic Panic is priced at $10 and these are priced at $5, so you kind of get a better deal with this one, but it's more work and it doesn't penetrate the hair follicles as well as the Manic Panic does.
Throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window, leaving me messages nonstop. You make me wanna throw my pager.
So after letting the hair process for about like an hour, I ended up getting this look. Now I wasn't really a big fan of this just because the color is all blotchy. It's kind of pink still, like pink from nowhere. I didn't even use pink dye. So it was just kind of all blotchy and I was just like, I can't roll with this one. So I went to Sal's and I picked up 2 of the Manic Panic. So I picked the Ultraviolet and the Purple Haze. Now this is not a really big item. There's not a lot of stuff in it, but the thing about it is it's a thick product and it also like really plasters the hair very nice. You don't even need a lot of it to really saturate the hair. I almost didn't have to use the whole entire thing. I forced myself into using it all. So what I'm going to do is go in and just add the color around in certain spots that you'll see the pink come through. I wasn't a big fan of those little pink spots. I don't even know where I got those pink spots from. Maybe it was a little bit of the hues from the other Kiss colors. I don't know what it was, but I ended up covering a lot of those pink areas and just kind of doing like highlights and stuff around. I do like it a little bit now when I look at it, so I did leave like a little bit of pink spots like hidden in the back and around just to give it a little bit of dimension, but I'm just gonna work the color in and then you're gonna see what it looks like.
It was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna.
So you definitely know this video is not complete until I actually style the hair. So what I'm going to do is just do a regular style up like I usually do. I'm going to actually glue this down because I really like this unit, to be completely honest with you guys. So I'm going to glue this down. I'm actually going to customize the hairline. I'm going to show you guys how pretty it is. Obviously you guys can see this is a beautiful, beautiful color. I am absolutely in love with this, and I'm so happy that I actually went back in with the Manic Panic. I'm telling you guys, if you want to use the Kiss colors, it's cool or whatever, but I'm saying if you're trying to cut costs and stuff like that, don't do that. I would say just go straight for the Manic Panic. Like I said, I've used the Kiss before in the past and I've had good experiences with it, but this time around, this curly hair just couldn't take it. It wasn't saturating it enough. But now you guys can see, look at how beautiful this is. Now the roots are purple, they're not black, so it's kind of like a dark purple going into this kind of like nice purple violet kind of look on the curls. I absolutely think that this hairstyle came out nice. I really, really like this against my skin complexion. It just makes my eyes pop, makes my skin pop. It's just pop.
Messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving messages non-stop. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were a boo. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were a boo. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. You make me wanna. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me. But it was game, you had me fooled. When I met you, you were cool. But it was game, you had me fooled. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna.
So I wanted to add this part into the video so I can show you guys how I style the hair. So what I'm doing is I'm wetting the hair because it's a little bit dry and I want to kind of actually get the curls to pop. Now I'm going to go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioner, which is a product that I rave about all the time. I use this product on all my curly textured units, wavy, loose wave, whatever it is. When I want those curls to show up and arrive, this is the product that I use. I don't use a lot. I use about like maybe a $50 size, and I use it on both sides. The best thing to do is to wet the hair first and then put this product on. It would definitely give you a good look, a good texture, a good feel. Now, one thing I want to mention to you guys, after applying these products to the hair, you need to not touch the hair. Air drying the hair is the best option. Now, I tell you guys all the time, when you leave the hair and let it air dry, it gives you the best results. It minimizes the frizz and definitely gives the hair just an absolutely gorgeous finished look. So what I'm going to do is just work on the edges, work on the baby hairs and stuff like that, and let this hair air dry naturally for the final result.
Throw my pager out the window. I don't really wanna put your number on. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. Leaving me messages non-stop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. I messages nonstop. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails. You make me wanna throw my pager out the window. AOL, make my emails.
So I always mention to you guys about breaking the cast on your baby hairs. So the reason why I want to show you guys this part is because when you put the got2b glue on your hair, sometimes it'll leave that flaky, crusty look. So what I'm doing right now is just breaking the cast to kind of remove that stiff look. And then what I'm going to do is just use some hair grease. I know this is funny, but I'm just using some regular old hair grease. I'm going to put a little bit on my toothbrush just to make it look less ashy and less flaky. Now I do this now often just because that got2b glue be looking real crusty sometimes, and I cannot go outside like that, especially with a popping frontal like this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease on it just to kind of smooth it out. What I basically like to do is get that nice ringlet look, but I don't want that stiff, dry, crusty look. So what I'm doing is just using the grease to pull it right off of the unit and make it look really nice and natural. So guys, this basically is the end of the video. I absolutely am very pleased with the final results of this unit. I think that altogether this actually came out very, very pretty, and I'm going to tell you guys hands down, I love this unit and I love it, love it, love it so much. Do not forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.
Put your number on, you make me wanna roll.